Okay, time to clean up the floor a little bit just with some rubbing alcohol. These are the panels I made yesterday, fit into the floor perfectly. So I've got some Sikaflex over there, so I'm just going to put it in. Fridge slide will go over here, that's going to have most weight. So I'll tech screw just down through the Sika on this side and hide it under the fridge slide. We'll work out where I'm going to put the kickass box and the compressor. If I have the fridge slide over this side, I think I'll put the compressor in the corner. I've got the power coming in over that side. Grommet up on the back wall there. There's 12 volts coming off the side there, 12 volts in on the back there. I will have the solar coming through that grommet going into the kickass box. Haven't decided whether I want the kickass box in the back or down on the front here. I'll work that out as we go. Okay, first panel's in using Sikaflex 118. It's a really good high grab, and I'll be putting a couple of tech screws just in through this side where the fridge slide is, and the fridge slide will cover those up so you won't see them. Final panel's in. I'll just let that guy settle down with the glue for a little while, then I'll do some mock positioning. Fridge slide is bolted down. That's come up a treat. I think I'll mount the compressor into the side there. That way the battery box I think I will put behind the fridge. Then I just have to reroute that wiring. Solar will come through there straight into the battery box. I'll reroute the Anderson extension cord over to the back of the box. I think that'll work a treat. Battery box is drilled in. One battery, one box. Okay, kickass box is in. Right now I've just got it hooked up charging off the alternator, haven't got the solar set up as yet. I'll get that wired in shortly. How sexy is that? Just mounted the thumper in. That will fit there nicely. I'll put his end clips, he's got alligator clips on the end there. I'll make a Anderson plug fitting to go straight into the power box. And then we shall get his accessories just to hang up on a little hook in there. That'll look pretty neat, I think, next to the fridge. Okay, the dual zone Oztrail is in, 80 litre, so it's a fair whack of a machine. I'll get the solar power hooked up over the next couple of days, get the power routed in, get that all tidied up. That looks pretty damn good for a day's work. Happy with that.